here come the Isi police. Is it isiXhosa or just Xhosa? isiXhosa works within a noun class system as part of the language and grammar structure. And that means that each and every noun in isiXhosa fits into a particular noun class or category, and each of those noun classes has a specific prefix. The word isiXhosa is a noun, and it fits into the Isi noun class. In that noun class, there's a couple of different types of nouns that fit into that noun class, and one of them is the types of nouns that describe languages and cultures. For example, isiFrenchi is the language and culture of French. Therefore, isiXhosa is referring to the language and culture of the AmaXhosa people. In the language of isiXhosa, nouns do not stand without their prefix. Therefore, it makes sense to keep the prefix when we are referring to the language and culture of isiXhosa. One could argue that many people don't say filet, we say fillet, even though it's a French word, for example. Other side of the argument is that if you are leaving the prefix off isiXhosa, you're really making like the least effort. I said Xhosa for many years, but now I lean more towards isiXhosa. What do you think? And remember, be nice in the comments. Thetha ngenhlonipho. Speak with respect.